Welcome to the Earth Network, where nature's stories unfold with grace and wonder. Today, we follow a creature born of wind and wave, the albatross, the ocean's eternal voyager. Far beyond the shorelines we know, where the sea stretches endlessly and the sky folds into the horizon, a shadow glides. Not hurried, not lost, but timeless. This is the albatross, a bird whose wings write poetry across the open ocean. With a wingspan that rivals the height of a human, the albatross is built not for flapping, but for soaring. It rides the wind with effortless grace, sometimes traveling thousands of miles without ever touching land. It is a master of the skies, yet it belongs to the sea. Its feathers are soft, salt-kissed, and sculpted by evolution. White and gray, with hints of charcoal along the edges, like brushstrokes on a canvas of cloud. Its eyes, dark and knowing, scan the waves below for signs of life. The albatross feeds on squid, fish, and the secrets of the deep. It dives with precision, skimming the surface with a beak designed for survival. But it is not just a hunter, it is a sentinel. A witness to the changing tides and the shifting moods of the ocean. It nests on remote islands, places untouched by time. There, it performs one of nature's most elegant courtship rituals. A dance of beaks and wings, of calls and gestures. The bond it forms is not fleeting. Albatrosses mate for life. Their loyalty is etched into the wind. Chicks hatch in nests built from grass and feathers, guarded fiercely by parents who have crossed oceans to return. These young birds will one day take flight, not just across the sky, but into a legacy that spans generations. But the albatross faces threats. Plastic pollution, longline fishing, and climate change cast shadows over its journey. It is resilient, yes, but even the strongest wings cannot outrun every storm. And yet, it flies. It endures. It reminds us that freedom is not just movement, it is purpose. To see an albatross in flight is to witness nature's quiet triumph. It does not race. It does not roar. It simply glides, carried by wind, guided by instinct, and driven by something deeper. The albatross is not just a bird. It is a symbol of endurance, of connection, of the vast, beautiful mystery that is our planet's ocean. Thank you for joining the Earth Network, where every wing beat tells a story. Subscribe now for more wildlife journeys and ocean bird documentaries.